Welcome to the night stream. We talk about gaming news, pop culture, and stuff that I think is entertaining. I should have covered this the other day, but via Deserto, Warzone 2 players praise devs for bullying cheaters with Invisibility Cloak update. This is freaking great, guys. You know why I love this? Now, provided that this stays in effect and they can continue to update their anti-cheat for this, this is going to expose so many cheating streamers in COD. So if one of your favorite streamers are just straight up killing it one day, and then all of a sudden, what's going on with their gameplay? Why is it straight trash? Well, because they had to take off their cheats. So this is great. And so there's three things that they're doing. They are doing a cloaking, which hides players from cheaters when they're suspected of cheating. The enemy will show up invisible on their screen. And they also have a disarm and a damage shield. So let's take a look at how fantastic this is. How big can I get this? Oh, you guys can't even see that. Let's just watch it here. So this is the cloaking. And this is directly off of the Call of Duty's Twitter. Can't see him, and then, oh, what? Boop, there you go. Haha. So let's go to the disarm. Here's the disarm. Oh, where'd your weapon go? Beautiful. I love to see it. Damn, and then here's damage shield, which you can expect when they're firing at you. You absorb the bullets like you're Neo from the Matrix. Love it. This is great. I think this is fantastic. The thing is I want this to stick. I want this to be a thing that isn't just on the update and then these group of people that figure out how to hack these games come out with an update and then this is nothing. So this is a fun way, it's, you know, to mess with the hackers. It exposes them on the people who are cheating on their live streams and everything. And I just hope that this is something that, again, to reiterate, sticks around and really discourages people from cheating. But we'll see, right? Only time can tell. Let me know what your opinion is. Do you like this? Should they just ban hackers and cheaters altogether? Let me know down in the comments. Like, subscribe. I appreciate you guys. That is some news for today. Take care.